slide it out like this, and then I guess you remove the top part, and we have some user's manuals. We have the door part on the outside, this thing, I guess that's a drill protection, something more. Paper. Here's the inside part. And that's the lock. And so the internet connection device. And I guess this is nuts and bolts. Yeah, and batteries and cables and yeah. So now I've taken off the plastic of everything except the screws. So this is the new design of the part on the outside. Looks very nice. Very heavy feeling to it. And this is the indoor part. So everything looks a bit sleeker than the old version. And here's the handles. And this is the lock itself. And some drilling plate, I guess. And I'll have to read up what this is. And one RFID tag, and I would guess this is the master RFID. And then screws, cables and stuff.